Hey.
He's dancing.
You like that? Yeah, thank you. I'll be happy to do that. There we go. You just like it when Danny feeds you home. Here we go. Okay. So we are having so much fun here today, and we're going to have some more fun because we're going to make these cheddar cheese biscuits, and they are yummy, aren't they? Are they yummy? Oh, so yummy. It's my cousin Barbara Tyler Smith's recipe, and she's from the Houston area. But this is how easy they are, y'all. It's 3 cups of good old Bisquick, or your favorite baking, what do we call them?
Biscuit mix.
Biscuit mix, but Bisquick is what we've always used if we need to use biscuit mix. And then you add a 1/2 cup of cheddar cheese. Now, the only cheddar cheese I had today was this white cheddar that's a mild cheese, and we get it from Hatcher Farms Dairy. It's so good. But anyway, you can use a darker cheese or a stronger cheese if you want to. And in here, I have a 1/2 cup of cheddar cheese and about 1/4 cup of grated onion. You know, grated onion is so great. Thank you so much. All right. Grated onion is so good in recipes because it has a little bit of flavor, but it doesn't have that really, really, really strong onion flavor. So even if people don't like onion, you can grate a little bit of onion in it, and it makes the dish really flavorful. So I'm going to add that. And this is not in the recipe, but I thought it would be fun to add a few little green onions since the cheese is white and that it won't show up. I thought, well, this might be good to add a little color. And, you know, we love green onions. We think of it as kind of like parsley. Don't we? Do we love green onions? I know. And then you have
talking to the puppies.
A cup of ice cold water. So you just mix it all together.
Honey.
Stir, stir, stir. Remember though, don't overmix any kind of biscuit mix or any kind of dough. Bread dough. You want to just mix it. Cornbread mix. You just want to batter. I mean, you just want to mix it until it kind of comes together. Can you see how that's coming together so well? Oh, goodness. So there is that pretty dough. Now, these are drop biscuits. So what you need to do is get your ice cream scoop. I'm going to spray it with vegetable spray because I forgot. And it is very important to spray it because it makes it come out so much easier. And this recipe, using this medium ice cream scoop, makes about 9 biscuits.
You got a facial.
I know. Yeah, you like that? So you put them on your sheet. I just added a little parchment paper. And you just kind of pat them down.
I'm getting all these Mardi Gras things in the...
Okay. Yeah. We can't go to Mardi Gras, which we really haven't. That's not a tradition, but we always get a king cake. And I thought, well, we can't even go to New Orleans and eat out. But we can have a little bit of decoration, can't we? Okay. So then all you do is just put them on your baking sheet. Then you bake them at You bake them at 425 for 15 minutes.
You done? You done?
Okay. And I baked some earlier.
Hang on, baby. Hang on, baby. Okay, honey.
He's done. All done. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. So
You just want to be the star of the show
yes,
today's
he always is the star of the show. Okay. He wants to go play with the puppies, what he wants to do. Okay, so you add those to your baking sheet. Bake them for 15 minutes at 425. And then after they're baked, you oh, no, it's not hot really. Oh. I was scared it was hot because that other pan was hot. You baste them in garlic butter. So all I did was I melted some butter in our favorite little pan here, and I just added a clove of garlic. And then you just, oh, y'all, I'm telling you, doesn't this smell good? Sherman?
Garlic and butter are the two best things ever.
Garlic and butter and cheese biscuits. Oh, goodness. You know what? And I was thinking about what all you could serve these with. And you could serve them like with, as a dinner roll. But you can serve them with chili and just all kind of things. It'd just be so much fun. We actually went to a shower one time and they had sweet biscuits and savory biscuits. Do you remember that, Charlotte? Actually, for Charlotte's shower, they did. Now, here's one that I took a bite of earlier. I couldn't resist. But here they are, y'all. My sweet cousin Barbara's cheese biscuits. Bon appetit.
How would you like to become a VIP member of Miss Dana's Kitchen? Miss Dana is now on Patreon. By joining Miss Dana's Kitchen on Patreon, you will get early access to videos, a special tips and tricks video, Miss Dana's Kitchen merchandise, emails delivered directly to your inbox, and much more. There are several membership tiers to choose from, starting at just $5 a month. Miss Dana would love to connect with you. Visit patreon.com/Miss Dana's Kitchen for more information.